Breaking barriers, one device at a time.
What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to be modifying this PS Vita. That is, we are going to overclock the PS Vita. Actually, it's not overclocked. The PS Vita is naturally underclocked by Sony. So we are going to break that limit and overclock the PS Vita. First of all, let's try to run the game. Let me show you how it is without overclock. Then I'll overclock it and I will show you how it is after you overclock it. So I'm running God of War here. Bit for it. Okay, let's run God of War so and see how it is. Now, new game waste a lot of time. Let's just let it load the game. No. Okay, new game. So this is how it looks. If I use without overclocking, you can see the graphics. Guys, let's try to overclock now. So we're going to use auto plugin tool. If you have not seen how to install this, check my previous videos. You will see how to install the plugin tool. We will use this to download what we need for the overclocking. Okay. Checking of the database. So now we go to Vita plugins, install plugins, and scroll down. We need 2 plugins for this. Let's go right down. Okay, we need PS Vitashell Plus. So we take X here. Usually we used to use this, but this is outdated. Use this one. Press X here. Wait for it to load, and you press X, okay, and you press X to install. I already have this installed, so don't need to install again. Next plugin we need is like this. We need graphic fix, so let's scroll right down to G. Okay, with the graphics by Electra, you press X here to select the plugin, X, and you take X to install. I already have this, so you quit the screen or you restart your system. You scroll down now, you now see this bubble. You open it. Now you now search for your game you want. Mine is God of War. I want to overclock God of War. So search for God of War. Oh, that's so far. Okay, God of War. I come and click X on enable. But I set it to it's already at 60 FPS already. You just save the configuration. You exit the screen. You now press the PS button and maintain for a while. Scroll down. Now you need to add this. Leave it at you can add this at the minus one. You can add it 500. This is the max CPU megahertz for overclocking. You check this button here and you scroll down. You can make it to show like the FPS caps to show at the top of the screen, or you can make it to show this way. I will leave it this way and I'll check OK here and enable GPU and X bar. Okay, exit this now and let me start the God of War again. You will see a massive difference. So as the game begins, you see the game is at 60 FPS. At the top here, you can see the using the road tool again. You see, it says that the game has started at 60 FPS. There's no new game, so I'm going to start a new game. Fast forwarding and skipping all these. So guys, skipping all these steps. So this is it. See, the quality of the image is better, brighter, and you can see overclocking increases the. It has a better resolution, and right now we are 21 FPS, 24 23, and it keeps changing. But we are getting better resolution. So this is. Okay, let me pause this. So Sony underclocked the PS Vita. So this is how to overclock the PS Vita and increase your input, increase your graphics, increase resolution, and play the Vita at better resolution. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Please like and subscribe, and